Hi guys, I'm Harsh and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, that is knowledge base. Imagine having a 24 into 7 AI assistant that never forgets and always has the right answer. Today I'm going to show you how you can build a powerful knowledge base in Voiceflow that can transform your business operation and customer interaction. As you know, knowledge base is very important part of AI chatbot. This is the main feature that sets apart AI chatbot from the other traditional chatbots that are there in the market. So stay tuned because today I'm going to show you how you can build a robust knowledge base for your AI agent. So let's get over to my Voiceflow dashboard. Okay, so this is our Voiceflow dashboard, and you can see here I've already created a demo AI agent. So let's explore what is knowledge base then. So here you can see we have got couple of options, and here you can see we have knowledge base. Just click on it. Now, right now you can see there is no document uploaded in this knowledge base. So we can add any document, like just we have to click on add data source, and you can see we have couple of options from where we can just upload, like we have URL sitemap upload file. So like you can just directly upload any URL, any website URL, and Voiceflow has a feature through which it can just scrape all the data whatever they were given in the website and just divide into the chunks, and after that you can use that data to get answer from the knowledge base. But before proceeding, I'll show you how all the things work in the backend. So I'll just show you with the help of diagram. After that, I'll just show you the demo of the same. So let's start with the diagram then. Okay, let's start with the diagram. Let's suppose if you are uploading any PDF file. So what happen is, like, let me just create one square box. So let's suppose this is a one PDF file which we have uploaded in the Voiceflow knowledge base. Now what happens is, since this is a large document, like it has thousands of words, so what Voiceflow does is it just divides this like big chunks of data into a smaller chunks. So let me show you how the like smaller chunks created. Like let me just create small box. Uh, okay. So you can see here, like these are the smaller chunks of data which has been created from this big chunks of data. So since like we generally upload more than one document, so let me just copy paste all the data, like this diagram. Okay, so you can see here how like this big chunk of data has been like divided into a smaller chunks, and all the chunks, like these are the thousands of chunks which have been derived from this big like big data. So and they all are stored into what we call as vector database. So let me just name it as vector database. So these are basically all the chunks which has been come out from the this long document has been stored into a vector database. Now let's suppose if any user asks any question. So like whatever the document which I uploaded is related to the delivery related queries, and if the user asks what is the delivery time, so the what Voiceflow does is it will look for the chunk which has more appropriately answer which is related to the user's query. And if let's suppose it has found this three chunks, like let's suppose this and this. These are the three chunks which is more appropriately closely related to the question asked by the user. So what happen is all these three chunks will be pulled out from here. Let me just create another segment here. And what happen is it will just go with the prompt and go into a AI model. Like at the time of creating our knowledge base, we will select some of the knowledge like AI model, like we have Claude, GPT-4, GPT-4o. So we have different AI model. So what happen is these chunks will go with the prompt into a AI model, and with the help of AI model, we will get the AI output. So these all chunks will go into a AI model with the prompt, whatever we have given at the time of creating our knowledge base. So this is our AI input, which will go into a AI model, and after with the help of AI model, we will get the output. And let me just create our output. This is the output which we will create, which we will get from the this large chunks of data, and we will name it as AI output. So you can see how like simplify how simple this is. Like basically what happened is we'll just upload any documents, and this document will divide it into a different chunks, and there are like thousands of chunks are there in this like database, and all the chunks are collected into a vector database. And if any user asks any question, then Voiceflow will look in for the chunks which are more closely related to the query which has been asked by the user, and all that relevant chunks will pull out from that vector database, and then all the chunks which are relevant will go with the prompt into a AI model, and with the help of AI model we'll get our AI output, and this is the final output with the user see on their AI chatbot. So this is how all the backend works in the like AI knowledge base. So now let's start with our creating our demo AI knowledge base in the Voiceflow dashboard. Okay, so let's start with creating our demo knowledge base. So first, we will add our knowledge base document files. So basically, I have two PDF files. So now I'll just upload it in this knowledge base database. So I'll just use the PDF format. Wait, add data source. Click on upload files. Let me just upload it. Okay. So it will take some time to upload the data and divide into different chunks. Like I have shown you now how the all the data, like big chunks of data divided into smaller chunks. So it will take some time, and I think you can see like status is green. So basically it has completed. And here you can see this PDF file has been divided into 5 chunks. Like you can see here we have 5 chunks. So I've shown you now how this big chunks of data, like this is a PDF file. Let's suppose this is a PDF file, and it has been divided into 5 chunks. And same with the another PDF file, you can see here it has also divided into 3 chunks. It depends on the length of the PDF file. If the length is too much, then it will divide accordingly, and if the length is smaller, then it will like there will be less chunks. It will divide into the less chunks. Okay, now what we need to do, we have to do some setting behind how our knowledge base will answer the user query. So we have to create on setting. Now here we have different AI model, and based on the AI model, our AI our answer will be given by our knowledge base. So you can see here we have got many models here, like we have GPT 3.5 Turbo, GPT-4, GPT-4o. We also have Claude Assistant 1.2, Claude 1.2, and there are many models you can see here. Like we also have Gemini 1.5 Pro. But right now I'm in the free plan, so we only have access to couples of models like GPT 3.5 Turbo, and like you can see we have some Claude models access. But you have to decide how you have to access this all the model. Like you can see here there is a pricing given just beside the name of the AI model. Like for the GPT 3.5 Turbo, you can see the pricing is 0.6 into tokens. Like basically tokens is like it is the AI token which will be consumed when our AI model give answer to the user query. So you have to select it carefully, and it should be cost effective, because like it will consume a lot of token if you choose like GPT-4o, because it is 25x to the token amount. So you have to choose this wisely. Like it depends on the task you want to do. So for the customer support, I think Claude 3 Haiku is the best model, because it is the cheaper among the all, and it is also like perfect for answering the customer related query. So I'll just go with Claude 3 Haiku model. Okay, now we have got a couple of options here. So let's talk about what is temperature. So temperature is how our AI model will give the answer to the user query. It depends on like, is it like more random type? If our temperature is too high, our answer will be more randomness. Like there will be no any particular way of answering. It will be more creative and more random. And if we want the straightforward answer, then we have to choose our temperature between 0.1 to 0.3. I think 0.2 is best in this scenario. So I'll just go with 0.2. And the max token is the amount we like. It's the amount of answer we want our AI chatbot to give to our user. So right now I'll just set up max token to 200. You can just play with it, and you just need to figure it out which is best, which setting is best for your given scenario. And the chunk limit is how much the input we want to give to our AI model. I have shown you there are 5 chunks in one PDF file, and there's 3 chunks in second PDF file. So you have to decide how much AI input you have, how much knowledge, information about the user you have to give to the AI model. On the base of that chunk limit, it will just give out the output. So this is like, you have to remember, if the chunk limit is high, then your quality of the answer will be also good. But if your chunk limit is low, then there will be some compromisation with the answer of the question. So I think you can go with chunk limit that is 2, because if you choose a higher chunk limit, then the AI tokens consumption will be higher. So you have to do it carefully, and you should also keep in mind it should be cost effectively. Now this is the system prompt. I think this is a default prompt, and this is good. I don't think we have to make any changes. So I'll just click on save. Now let's test. Let's preview it and see how our knowledge base is giving our answer. So I just write, what is the break time of my order? Okay, let's see. So you can see here it has given us answer, and if you click on the sources, you can see it has used 2 chunks of data to answer this particular question. And it depends on what type of question we are asking, it will use that chunks to answer our given question. So I think this answer is perfect. Like, standard shipping within the US typically take 5 to 7 business days. Express shipping. Okay. So you can you can change the way of answering with the help of prompt. Like, here is the system prompt, you can see here. So you can whatever the type of answer you want from your AI chatbot, you can just with the help of this prompt, you can just make the modification and get your desired output. So now I'll show you how you can just add this knowledge base to your AI chatbot dashboard. So let's come to workflows. I'll just click on home. Okay. Now let's set up some messages so that we can just set up our knowledge base here. Yes, it's the welcome message. Welcome to the Voiceflow. How may I help you today? Okay. Now we will use capture to collect the data from the user. Like, whatever the question the user have, it will be collected into the last utterance. This is a variable. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll just use AI knowledge base. You can just click on AI response. AI you have to use, and you can see here we have got 2 options: AI model and knowledge base. So we'll go with knowledge base. Okay. So our question is the last utterance, because whatever the user asks us the question, that is our question for our AI knowledge base. So we'll just use that variable only, last utterance. Okay. Now you have to give some instruction, like how your chatbot has to behave. So you can just you have to give the answer in the bullet point and try to make it as simple as possible for the user. You can play with it, and accordingly you can just create your desired instruction. Okay. One more option you can see here, override prompt setting. Just click on it, and here what you can do is you can just set a particular, you can just you can make some adjustment with the particular AI knowledge based chatbot. So here for this particular block, I can just make some changes. Like, if I want to use any other like AI model, you can do so from here. So I'll just go with Claude 3 Haiku only, and I'll just adjust the temperature to 0.2. Okay. You can also make some changes with the max token. I'll just go with 200. Okay. Now this is a system prompt, so you have to write it to make like how your AI knowledge base has to behave. Right now I'm making this a chatbot for the customer support. So I just write, you are a helpful customer support agent. Okay. Now I think it's good to go. So we'll just okay. Just do that. This is the last address. Okay. Just click on start, and let's see how our knowledge base is giving us the answer. Okay. So what is your delivery time? I'll just ask this question. And let's see how our knowledge base is giving us the answer. So you can see here like we have used the Claude 3 Haiku model, and our total AI token consumption is 733. Sorry, 760 is our total AI consumption. 733 is for the all the like AI input consumption, and for the answering the question, it has utilized 27 AI tokens. So you can see how you have got our output. It has divided all the output into different points, bullet points, and I think it's looking good. You can see like standard shipping within the US typically takes 5 to 7 business days, express shipping 2 3 business days, and international shipping times vary by destination. You can also make some changes with the help of system prompt here, or you can also make some changes in the instruction like how your AI knowledge base has to behave. If I can just make some changes like you have to bold the important details and also use title and subtitles while answering the user query. Now let's see how our knowledge base is giving us the answer. Just click on start. Okay, I'll just go with the same question. What is the delivery time of my order? What is the delivery time of my order? Let's see how it's giving us the answer. Okay, now you can see how it has made some adjustment according to the instruction I've given right now. So I've used like give the title and subtitle. So you can see it has given the title. So you can see here I have given the instruction to bold the important details and also use the title and subtitle while answering the user query. So the chat a knowledge base has followed the same, and it has characterized all the title and subtitle and also bold the important details. So this is how you can create a powerful knowledge base. This is a very basic knowledge base. You can add multiple documents and do lots of experiment with the same. And through this way, you can also improve the quality of answer. Like I have shown you how with the changing some wording in the prompt, you can just increase the quality of your answer and also improve the consistency with the like while the conversation is going on, you can improve the consistency of the knowledge base. So this is how you can create a powerful chatbot with the help of Voiceflow. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insight in AI and automation. Don't forget to leave a comment below, and if you have any question or if there is any topic you did like to me to discuss, just comment down below, and till then, bye.